Inflation rose to 8.3% in April, with monthly core CPI doubling from March. Core inflation rose twice as fast as in March. Bitcoin dropped sharply after the release. U.S. Inflation slowed last month for the first time since November 2020, a Labor Department report Wednesday showed. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, the most widely used gauge to track inflation, dropped to 8.3% in April from a year earlier, down from 8.5% in March, a four-decade high, according to a report from the U.S. Labor Department published Wednesday. Economists had estimated an 8.1% rate for April. Core inflation, which excludes seasonally volatile food and energy prices, rose 0.6% from March levels, doubling from the prior month's rate and faster than the 0.4% clip that economists had forecast. Bitcoin, BTC, was down 4.8% within minutes after the report was released, changing hands at $30,145. Crypto analysts and traditional economists alike are watching core inflation particularly closely this month, as headline inflation figures could be misleading due to a big jump in the CPI index this time last year. The year-on-year numbers are going to come down, almost no matter what, said Eric Winograd, Senior Vice President and Director of Developed Market Economic Research at AllianceBernstein. That isn't particularly meaningful, because it doesn't tell us what's really going on with prices right now. It tells us what went on with prices a year ago. The CPI index saw a big jump in spring last year, from 2.6% in March to 4.7% in April, making it difficult to draw comparisons between this year's. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.